Hello everyone, today we are going to do a workout to lose weight and burn belly fat. Each exercise has to be done in 3 or 4 sets with 20 repetitions. Take 10-second rest after every set. Let's start. First exercise is step jacks. Inhale now and exhale while raising your arms and stepping one leg out to the side. Repeat it on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Take a rest for 10 seconds. Next, we will do lateral lunges. Let's start. Inhale now and exhale while bending your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, we will do forward bending. Inhale while standing straight and exhale while bending forward. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, we will do side crunches. Inhale now and exhale when the elbow touches the knee. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Repeat the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, we will do lunges. Let's start. Inhale when straightening the knee and exhale when bending the knee. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next, we are going to do high knee twist. Inhale as you center and exhale as you twist. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, we will do side bending. Inhale as you center and exhale when you bend. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Take a rest for 10 seconds. For the next exercise, we will lie down on our back. Raise your legs and arms together and inhale now and exhale as you touch your legs. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, you will do crunches. Inhale now and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, we will do mountain climber. Inhale when straightening the knee and exhale when bending the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, we will do child pose to cobra pose. Inhale to lift into cobra pose and exhale to push back into child pose. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, we will sit in Dandasana. Now we will do straight Konasana. Inhale at this time and exhale as you touch your opposite leg with your opposite hand. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Please do all these exercises on a regular basis. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching my video.